So, just nakarek. Oh! Okay. And today we're gonna unlock the final piece of Air Island. I'm here with my cousin. Yeah, it's my mom's birthday. Yes, and happy birthday to her. And be quiet. Okay, now. So, I don't know who feeds are those. I think it's the new Epic. Was that the Epic or Rare? I don't know. Oh my god! It's the final piece. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sabay kami! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Sabay kami, Lisa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yeah. Woo! Yun na! Stop it. Because the big guys are so cute. Okay, everyone. So, let's imagine I have a list. So, because I already unlocked, because I already unlocked. Wait, this is my favorite, the octopus. Oh, you mean Toadjammer? Toadjam? Or Toadjam? Toadjammer. Tingnan mo, he has toes. Okay, comedy Zach. Okay, so now there's no going back. I'm gonna post this to YouTube now. So Zuri, can you please stop moving the screen? So imagine there's imaginary list. Now because I collected already 2. Now this is going to be 3. Now there's 3. Plant Island, Cold Island, and the third one. Oh, yes, that! Oh my gosh! I moved it so you can get 10K. And the last one, and this one is Air Island. So now it's time to go to the map. Wait, I got Air Island, Island. Sa Island, but the magical mixes. Magical mix. Are those magical mixes? Yes, it's so epic. It's the newest island of all. Okay, that's it. Especially this one had an update. If you want to go in, yeah. Not to add crazy ad. You need to delete that. I'm gonna show you my favorite one. This is my favorite one. This house has this sim. Okay, stop. I don't want. So now, okay, so I'm gonna leave the map. Pwede yung mag-mute? Yes. Okay, so now. Okay, sorry. Okay, so thank you everyone. Bye. Bye.